Clear signal, 2 miles down north side, clear signal to page.
See, he's using wipers on.
Yeah, they do.
It is 2966 west. Private property. Me?
Under the umbrella?
Okay, sure, yeah. It is definitely, oh sorry. Oh wait, it's definitely 417.
Yeah,
417.
one?
Yeah.
417.
That's his Procore?
Yeah, Procore. Is that oil?
Yes, it is. It's wet.
Do you think,
And
it's,
shiny.
do you think it's full or empty?
I don't know. Maybe it's full. My wet scanner. Union Pacific.
Union Pacific?
Where's my card?
In my pocket.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So wet.
There's a lot of graffiti on this one.
I know, right? Yeah. There's middle DPU.
What's that?
It's middle DPU. I want to get the photo. I need the photo.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Grain cars.
Did you say train cars or rain cars?
I said grain cars.
Grain
It's American one. They should go to Los Angeles.
Straight to LA.
It should go to LA or it should go to United States. I don't know if they want to go there.
Yeah, I wonder if they are. Do they take the grain down there too?
I don't know. They don't.
First, do you have a number I can drop down to give you my crew when they're ready? For a couple hours still. If you want to, we can just reach out to you on channel 1 if you're going to be on here all night. You get the flag drop. Actually, in back 5. Best case scenario, probably 22 to 22:30, and only have 5 autos.
And I will see you on 2966 West, CN train 417 mixed rate high, going to Hargis Street, Abbotsford, private property, and north track on a rainy day. It's so raining outside.